guys.
Wait.
Hey guys.
Wait.
I'm just gonna do it myself, and then you can come in. It's gonna be like a Juliet feature. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a back to school video for you guys. I know the last one I did last year got like some views, so hopefully in this video my subscribers can return back to me. I had inserted some clips at the beginning of the video, and I stopped recording because I saw this lady. Well, anyway, I went to Walmart. Trusty Walmart. They got our school supplies.
We got them from Target.
And ignore the vibration because someone's trying to text me. So the first thing that I got for school this year was this composition notebook. It was 50 cents at Walmart. Go get it right now. Next we have this graph notebook, and it's just white. And it has graph paper, if you can even tell. I removed the sticker, right? And it leaves this sticky residue on it, so I'm just gonna get like a big fat sticker from like Hot Topic or whatever and just stick it over there. Then we have this like bluish grayish notebook, and I still know like what I'm gonna use this for. Just we're gonna see it. Next we have this navy blue one, and I love this color. It's just super nice. And we have 3 basic folders. Last year I only got 1, so this year I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go all out and get 3. Next I got this pack of pens because I like pens. Actually, I just got a big pack of pencils because I hate wood pencils, and these are just better, and yeah, they're kind of nice. And stop. Then the next thing that I got, I have my planner for this year. I didn't get one last year just because I was like, I'm not gonna use it, but this year, like, trust me, I am gonna use this. Like, look at this, super nice, super cute. So that's basically all that I got for back to school. I love my school supplies. I'm very excited to go back to school. No, I'm not. If you guys want to see more back to school videos, please comment down with like what other school videos you want to see me do. If you're watching, thank you. And I'm gonna get to editing.
Hi guys, it's me. First, I have this basic white binder. It's so cute. It goes really well with my. It goes really well. Yeah, it's really well right now. I have 3 folders. I also got my stuff from Target, not from a Walmart because. Yeah, so then I have this nice, it's really light. It looks really dark on here, but it's like light pink.
Oh my god, bro, why won't he send it?
Then we have the world's best
when
pencil.
No one cares what you got for school.
Everyone cares. Your 8 subscribers care.